Hi, Kathy here with Kathy's Cute Creations and my granddaughter,
Megan.
and we're going to be showing you the 2018 limited edition Jolly Box from the Fat Quarter Shop. All right, let's get started.
It's a red box. It says, let us sew, let us sew, let us sew.
All right, next.
What's this?
Oh, that's our supply list for the box. Let's put that aside and we'll just
Got items on
refer
it.
to that if we have a issue. Let's set that aside for last. That's going to be our little bag with fabric.
But it's cute. I want to see it.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas with the Jolly Box. All right, let's do the other stuff first.
Red and green fake Sharpies. Just kidding. Friction colors.
Let me see one, please. Thank you. Erasable.
To assume with the iron.
Yep, that's what it means. Okay, that looks sort of like orange, but it's red.
It's green.
Supposed to be red and green.
It's
All
not.
right. Okay.
See, does it say it?
Yep, I see it.
Okay.
All right, now we have some cookie cutters. Makes you want to make cookies, doesn't it? 2-piece acrylic template set. Double the fun and use as Christmas ornaments. Well, I don't think I would do that. But you can make Christmas ornaments with it.
I will.
As a matter of fact, it is a tree
And if you don't celebrate Christmas, you could give it to somebody who does.
and a house. Yes, you can. And you could actually make ornaments because you can draw that out with your fabric, trace it out, do 2 pieces, and then sew it and
That'd
stuff
be a
it.
neat little craft with kids to make an ornament out of it.
Yep, I agree.
There's candy canes. Some type of
That's what we have this
Thread.
for, to find out what it
Threading.
is. And it says 10 yards of red and white twine.
What's this?
Those are your Merry Stickmas gift tag
Obvious.
sticker sheet.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Peace on earth. Have you been naughty or nice? Peace, love, quilt. Bound with love. Bobbing around the Christmas tree. Baby, it's cold outside. And whose
No.
snow plays like home? Reading it backwards. It doesn't always work.
All right, those are nice. And then we have the limited edition.
Cookie cutter quilt. Oh, hashtag cookie cutter quilt. If you make it and post it.
So you use your cookie cutters and your
Yes.
fabric from the box.
That's the pattern, and it tells you everything on the inside. What's on the inside? Can I show it now?
Yes.
It says never naughty or nice, which is like a thread joke.
All those little stickers were thread jokes.
Yes, I'm aware of that.
Now let's see the fabric.
Oh yeah,
We're all
There's
excited
fabric.
about the fabric.
it's a little
It's
square.
as cute as a button. Let's open it
Here's
up.
the
It
squiggly.
is Moda, the North Pole. I can't do it.
Do you have it no nails?
No, I have no fingernails.
There's nowhere
I
to
need
open
scissors.
it. No.
Oh, you got it. I just know it's going to be pretty.
You don't know if you haven't seen it.
I can see a little bit that's showing.
Miss assumes everything's pretty over here until it's a color she doesn't like. That's what it looks like on the side. It's like a sneak preview.
Sneak preview. Let's
Why
open
do
it
you
up.
gotta take it?
I have to open it up. All right, so let's.
You don't have to.
There we go.
So the string says things like cute as a button, stitched with love, and whatever that says. To you. From me, that's what that says.
Here's one of the fat quarters.
That's the-
green with trees. I'm
that's the
holding it
first
upside
one.
Down.
Yes, you
I
are.
am. There we go.
Here's the second one, blue with the house and some trees and some polar bears and penguins.
And then this is the same thing but in white.
This one says, "'Tis the season, Merry Christmas, la 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 la, ho ho ho."
And here's our little snowman heads with their hats.
Maybe snowballs.
It looks like the snow's falling in that fabric.
This is the same thing, but in green. Very nice, very nice.
Oh, and now we have our trees in pink. That's nice.
Very nice, very nice.
Mm-hmm.
And our trees in blue.
That's also
Very
very
nice,
nice.
very
Yes.
nice. I think that one is probably my favorite.
Here's everything that's in the box. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.